We are at the Canon HQ in Sydney for the next 2 days for our 2-day workshop, so come with me. I want to show you around. This is the studio that we'll be working in today. So we have all of our chairs set up. We're working on the cyclorama, fresh coat of paint. We even have a little green room at the back so we can hide out if we want to. Look at all the Canon gear at the back though. Absolute heaven. So I'm just gonna take a shot right now. Don't have the trigger on. We've got a completely black image, which is good. That's what I want. I'm using the 100mm today. I often use it on a lot of portrait shoots. I'll sometimes switch between the 24-70, but I like to come in and do the detail shots while I'm right there anyways. Now, every time she hears the beep, she's gonna change her pose. And whether that be facial expressions or movement of the product. Party laugh, I want you to do it out loud. Ha ha ha. Now, see how she laughed at herself after it? That's the one that I'm trying to capture. It's not actually her fake one, it's because she feels a little silly after it. So look how natural that looks. So if you want to just take a shot with it, whatever it looks like there, let's have a go. Okay, what problems do we have already? Let's fix, this is good. Let's fix what we've shot a photo of right now. Yeah, you can see that they've got like little flares coming out. It's a really fun way to add like a bit of a hazy sparkle look. Well, that's kind of cool. All right, just give me a few different facial expressions. Okay, day one is all finished. We've just completed our portrait workshop and tomorrow we're moving on to products. So everyone that came on day one will return tomorrow. So I hope they get a lot of rest tonight because today was big. Tomorrow I feel like it's gonna be a lot more fun. They're gonna see a completely different style of photography, a lot smaller than today. We had a beautiful model come today. Her name was Maddy. She was just so easy to take photos of. She photographed so well. But yeah, that's day one done. All in all, I think it went really well. Do you mind? It seemed like everyone was engaging with today and I think they got a lot out of it. I'll never know, but I hope so. So yeah, day one done. We need to go rest and we'll be back for tomorrow. Good morning. Top of the morning to you. Ready for another big day. We're doing product photography today. My bread and butter. Wow. I could honestly do this shit with my eyes closed now. Yeah, cool. Got some fun little products that we're going to shoot with today. I'm going to try to get everyone a little more hands-on. They had a go yesterday and I just think that's so fun. Like, I learn by actually physically playing and touching, so I want to incorporate everyone more to do that. Hi! How's everyone's evening? If we're working with retainers on a monthly basis, we get to know how the product reacts to lighting. But if I have a new client, more times than not, Kim and I will spend probably 2 hours figuring out, okay, what is the best lighting for this product? Because as I mentioned yesterday, no two products are the same and they all react differently. Yeah, so you're trying to create that big hero look. Yeah, I will show you how to do it with the 24-70 because you can achieve it. It won't be as like distorted as a much wider lens, but you could still get something pretty similar. All the way over if you can. Cool, all right, cut there. Amazing, I think we've got some really cool shots there. All right, the next scene that we'll create is like a hero block shot. We could do this with our eyes shut. That's how much we've actually done it. So one thing that I haven't really touched on is color cast either. So let's say that this is a really bright pink. Well, it is pink, but color cast is where you reflect color onto other surfaces. So right now this is pink. If I pop this white block down, the product on there, I run the risk of this pink hitting the block and creating a colour.
Yeah, the workshop was really, really good. I am walking away with a little bit more confidence in artificial lighting. It's something that I have never really learnt or really tried. So it was fun to get in there and actually try and play around with the strobes. So yeah, I'm definitely walking away more confident. I'm looking forward to buying my first strobe.
My favorite part was seeing the model work and all the portraits and then putting all the lights together, like going from 1 all the way to 6, I think, and seeing all that come together. It was really, really cool to see.
I preferred day 2 product. Yeah.
I think I prefer day 1 because I've never played with lights before, so it was really good to learn that foundation and how to build in multiple lights.
So what are you most looking forward to like implementing?
Gels for sure, like all the colors and everything, yeah, and then playing a bit more with the lights as well and seeing what I can achieve, especially the glow light. Beautiful.
Gels.
Gels
Yeah.
and water.
Yeah,
After playing with the water today and incorporating that was fun.
And would you recommend this workshop to anyone else?
Absolutely, especially for people who learn better, like hands-on and in real life. You just see it in front of you, you see how everything works, and it's just, yeah, it's awesome.
Definitely.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
And
you.
it was a good balance of education and interactivity.
Yes.